Oh shit.
Wait, wave again. Wave
Hey,
again.
quit smiling.
Can't believe this.
Quit smiling. Hey, I'm not even pulling yet, dude. Come on, be a man.
I'm a man.
I am a man. Close your mouth. Yeah, hold it tight for me. Quit smiling. You're a champ. Baby smooth. Got a couple of little ones.
Got the tear in my eye.
Do you have a tear in your eye?
I'll zoom in.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
Rita get jealous that you get more pampered than she does.
I always tell her she has a mustache.
You tell your wife that?
He won't know. Let's paint. Let's dye his hair too.
I tell her she has Bella's hair.
Bella's hair. Okay, quit talking, okay? And moving. It all goes together.
Ready?
Oh, he's ready.
Miss Henry, do you think those are actors, or do you think they're real companies who actually have those videos?
What do you
Ow.
have with her?
Ooh,
Okay,
you
I
got
gotta
some
clean you up.
flags on it.
I wonder how you get that. Like, yeah, I'm a cosmetologist.
Do you see how that one left way more? Okay. Aww. Who's crying? Cry baby. Alright.
Wait, you did the whole mustache, right?
There's a couple of little ones I'm wanting to get right here. Okay.
This is super smooth.
A little bit.
A little.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, hold your lip tight like that for me. These ones just might be too small. It's hard for me to hold you tight right here.
Oh!
I'm not gonna do it again because then your lip's gonna get raw.
Can't believe I'm recording this.
Real man get
How's it
waxed.
feel, Chad?
Feels like a baby ass.
Look at that.
Oh,
Yeah, I feel like cotton.
That's supposed to feel like cotton.
I feel like it's stuck on my lip.
It is. I'll get it. I'm gonna have to go with it. Probably over. Okay, close your mouth. Are you ready to do your neck? Is this a decision that you're ready to make?
the neck?
Alright. Like, basically like a perfect lineup like this.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh.
So you just want it cleaned.
Oh yeah, like 'cause, like, I still want to grow it out, but I just want to like have like a perfect. I just want to like grow out perfectly.
Okay, I'm probably gonna use hard wax then.
Ouch.
How's your lip feel?
I can't feel shit right
Is
now.
it numb?
Numb.
Okay. That's fair.
What this shit look like? Shit.
I'm recording it. Mm-hmm. Yes, me too. Facebook. Oh. What's up, Rita?
No.
Are you gonna?
Just so you know, the pre-pull on this is gonna be a beast.
Wait, the what?
The pre-pull, it's hard wax. I have to pre-pull it.
Oh shit.
Don't you love hard wax?
No. It's just not that
You
far.
moved.
What?
Quit moving.
That's soft.
It's beard hair. It's really never soft. It's a horrible thing. Chad wants more facial hair, which is odd that you're having me wax you.
I want to like have like a perfect goatee, like without shaving it all the time.
Hey, quit talking. So I'm lining it up. This is gonna feel amazing, man. Best night of your life. I don't know, dude. I think waxing your legs probably took the cake, though.
$8 a tube to us, for us. Those tubes aren't cheap, they're ridiculous to us.
Dang, we're going on 8 minutes already.
Okay, I'm probably gonna start pulling this stuff off and clean up where it didn't get, okay? Ready? Love that. Ooh, can you really zoom in on that?
Oh my goodness.
That's beard hair. Feels nice and tough. All right.
It's holding on for dear life.
That's the pre-pull.
Oh.
This one's probably not gonna feel good. Look at you holding yourself. Oof.
All right, time out.
Of course it did.
He's like, time out.
Tattoo on my-
Not at all. This one's not gonna feel too nice. I apologize in advance. One, I can't lift it.
Ooh. Honda. Oh. Vibrating.
Good
Poor
hair.
Chad. Ah.
That one didn't get too many. Okay, I'm gonna need wax off for sure. All right, I'm getting back under there. Excited?
No.
I lied to you if I told you yes.
How you doing so far?
I'm pretty good. No more haven't shed a tear in a while.
Don't lie. You liar.
I see this one girl on YouTube, like she creates a little lift, so make it easier for her.
She did what?
Do you want this YouTube and MySpace?
MySpace.
MySpace,
Well, what era are you
Facebook?
living in, girlfriend?
Oh my gosh.
MySpace.
That's so weird. I never used that word.
You're a beast. Oh my god, you look so smooth.
Man, I'm gonna wax somebody. I haven't gotten to wax anybody in a long
See
time.
if David has the balls.
Oh yeah, the whole 5 o'clock shadow. That's gonna hurt.
Okay, head turn this way for me. Yeah, I need to clean up. Okay. Get ready to cry. Here comes the pain.
I just want to stretch out real quick before I cry. Just want you to know I'm not a bitch.
We believe you.
You're brave.
This one's a toughie.
Ooh.
I know that one hurt. Okay, turn your head. That one's not ready.
Oh.
I love when that happens.
Let me see.
That was only half of it. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. Just kidding.
Yeah, there were two separate ones.
I see that.
Damn.
I know, dude.
Oh, dang it, I missed that one.
It's almost off.
Oh, it's not even. Oh.
No! It's off now. Okay, let me clean you up with some wax and stuff. Wax.
Oh shit.
Is that the end?
Okay.
No, it feels better.
I'm not supposed to be
It
using
won't focus. That's funny.
Can you do me a favor?
Mhm.
Can you give me a barber wrap?
Yeah.
Just because it's like stuck to his beard.
Okay.
And I want something hot to pull it off.
All right. Bye, Chad. This is the end of this video. You're a good sport. Bye.